Kortchak and Burr conducted experiment in sugarcane using radioactive carbon dioxide and identified that the first stable compound formed is a 4 carbon compound which is a dicarboxylic acid like oxaloacetic acid or malic acid. This was confirmed in several plants by MDH and SR slag, hence this cycle is also called as Hatch slag cycle. They then propose an alternative pathway, the C4 cycle. Professor V.S. Ramdas identified C4 cycle in weed plants of Tribulus terrestris, Euphorbia hirta, and Amaranthus spinosus. C4 cycle is reported in 19 genera and 90 species belonging to 11 families of angiosperm. C4 plants are mostly tropical and subtropical species. They include the poaceous monocots like maize, corn, sorghum, sugarcane, and millets. They, along with this, the members of dicot families like Amaranthaceae, Chenopodiaceae, Compositae, Euphorbiaceae also show the C4 cycle. C4 cycle are not reported from the temperate regions. The C4 plants have an unique leaf anatomy. The C4 plants has bundle sheet cells containing the chloroplast. The parenchymatous cells which surround the vascular bundles are called as the bundle sheet. So here you can see the vascular bundles are surrounded by the parenchymatous cells, and these cells are called as the bundle sheet cells. The bundle sheet cells are single layered, radially elongated, and surround the vascular tissue. As they look like a ring or a flower wreath, this type of anatomy is called as Cron's anatomy. Bundle sheet cells lack intercellular spaces, and cells are surrounded by loosely packed layers of mesophyll cells. The mesophyll cells and bundle sheet cells are in close contact with one another and are connected by cytoplasmic connection, that is the plasmodesmata. The chloroplast in C4 leaves are dimorphic, that is they show two morphologically different the chloroplast. The mesophyll cells have smaller chloroplast with well developed grana and few starch grains, whereas the bundle sheet cells have large chloroplast without grana and large number of starch grains. The chloroplast of mesophyll cell have the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, whereas the chloroplast in bundle sheet cells, the photosystem 2 is absent. So the bundle sheet cells are dependent on the mesophyll chloroplast for the supply of the reducing power, that is NADPH2. RUBP carboxylase or Rubisco is present in the bundle sheet cell, whereas the Rubisco enzyme is absent in the mesophyll cells. The C4 pathway comprises two cycles, that is C4 cycle and C3 cycle. The C4 cycle operates in the mesophyll cells, whereas the C3 cycle operates in the bundle sheet cells. So first, during this C4 cycle, the atmospheric carbon dioxide diffuses to the mesophyll cells via stomata, where it gets dissolved in water to form the carbonic acid. The reaction is catalyzed by enzyme carbonic anhydrase. So carbon dioxide dissolve in water and form the carbonic acid. The carbonic acid then gets ionized to form bicarbonate and the cations. The bicarbonate is now accepted by the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule, that is the phosphoenol pyruvic acid, to form the oxaloacetic acid. So in C4 plants, the primary acceptor of carbon dioxide is the phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and the first stable compound form is a 4 carbon compound, that is the oxaloacetic acid. This reaction is catalyzed by PEP carboxylase. This reaction takes place in mesophyll cells. PEP carboxylase enzyme is photosynthetically more efficient than RUBP carboxylase, that is Rubisco. PEP carboxylase can accept carbon dioxide even at very low atmospheric concentration. It has more affinity with carbon dioxide than RUBP carboxylase. So the bicarbonate are accepted by the phosphoenol pyruvic acid and forms the oxaloacetic acid. The oxaloacetic acid then moves to the chloroplast of the mesophyll cells, where they get reduced to malic acid in presence of NADPH2. So oxaloacetic acid are reduced to malic acid, and this reaction is catalyzed by NADP malate dehydrogenase. So oxaloacetic acid are converted to malic acid in presence of NADPH2, and the malic acid now transfers to the chloroplast of the bundle sheet cells. That is, the malic acid formed in the mesophills moves into the bundle sheet chloroplast, and there in presence of NADP plus, malic acid undergoes oxidative decarboxylation to form pyruvic acid and carbon dioxide, and also forms the NADPH2. So malic enzyme catalyzes the reaction. Malic acid act as a carrier of both carbon dioxide as well as the reducing power NADPH2. As earlier I have discussed, the bundle sheet chloroplast lacks the photosystem 2, so they are unable to synthesize the NADPH2. So they must be provided from the mesophyll cells. So the malic acid carries the NADPH2 to the bundle sheet chloroplast cells. So here the malic acid undergoes oxidative decarboxylation, forming pyruvic acid and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide released in the bundle sheet cell is used in the carboxylation of the RUBP. So the secondary carboxylation takes place in the bundle sheet cell, where the carbon dioxide is accepted by the RUBP and it undergoes the C3 cycle, forming the hexose sugar. As carbon dioxide is available in higher concentration to Rubisco due to production by decarboxylation of malic acid in the bundle sheet cells, and oxygen level is kept low or nil due to peculiar structure of the chloroplast. In bundle sheet cells, the chloroplast are either agranal or have rudimentary grana, due to which photosystem 2 is absent. Thereby, no photolysis of water takes place and there is no evolution of oxygen in the chloroplast of the bundle sheet cell. This condition favors the carboxylase activity of Rubisco, thereby carbon dioxide gets fixed. The pyruvic acid formed in the bundle sheet cell is transported to the mesophyll chloroplast, and in presence of ATP it is converted to the pyruvic phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This reaction takes place in presence of enzyme pyruvic phosphate dikinase. So in C4 plants, additional ATP is required for conversion of pyruvic acid to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So the pyruvic acid formed in the bundle sheet cell moves to the mesophyll cells where they are phosphorylated to form the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. The phosphoenol pyruvic acid now moves into the cytoplasm of the mesophyll cell where it again ready to accept the carbon dioxide. The C4 plants are categorized into following two groups on basis of product transferred to bundle sheet cells from the mesophyll cells. So there are two types of C4 plants, the mallet transporter C4 plants and aspartate transporter C4 plants. The mallet transporter C4 plants are also called as NADP-ME type. Here the oxaloacetic is formed which is reduced to the malic acid by NADPH2 in presence of enzyme NADP mallet dehydrogenase in the mesophyll cell. And the malic acid then moves to the bundle sheet chloroplast where it undergoes oxidative decarboxylation to form the carbon dioxide and the pyruvic acid. The carbon dioxide, this reaction of oxidative decarboxylation takes place in presence of enzyme NADP mallet dehydrogenase. Hence, the name of this type of plants are called as NADP malic enzyme type. The carbon dioxide which is released is accepted by the RUBP and C3 cycle takes place. The pyruvic acid then moves to the chloroplast of the mesophyll cells where it gets phosphorylated to form the phosphoenol pyruvic acid and the C4 cycle continues. Then the aspartate transporters are, these plants are again categorized into two types. They are NAD-ME type and PEP-CK type on basis of carboxylation mechanism which is either indirect or direct. First, the NAD-ME type aspartate transporters. So again here the oxaloacetic acid is first converted to the aspartic acid, and this aspartic acid moves to the mitochondria of the bundle sheet cell where it gets converted to the oxaloacetic acid. The oxaloacetic acid is then reduced to the malic acid. The malic acid then enters into the chloroplast of the bundle sheet cell where it undergoes oxidative decarboxylation forming the carbon dioxide and the pyruvic acid. So this oxidative decarboxylation takes place in presence of enzyme NAD plus mallet dehydrogenase. So here the NAD plus acts as a coenzyme for the malic enzyme. The pyruvic acid is then converted, the carbon dioxide then participate in the C3 cycle and the pyruvic acid is then converted to alanine, and by amination the alanine then enters into the mesophyll by deamination it forms the pyruvic acid, and pyruvic acid get converted to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So here the oxaloacetic acid converts to the malic acid, then the malic acid undergoes the oxidative decarboxylation forming carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid. So there is a indirect decarboxylation of the oxaloacetic acid in this type of C4 plants, and they are called as NAD plus ME type of the plants. Whereas the second type, the aspartate transporter PEP-CK type, the oxaloacetic acid is again converted to the aspartic acid. The aspartic acid enters into the bundle sheet cells, and in the cytoplasm of the bundle sheet cells, the aspartic acid is converted to again to oxaloacetic acid by enzyme aspartate aminotransferase. The oxaloacetic acid then diffuses to the bundle sheet cells chloroplast, where it is decarboxylated by the enzyme PEP carboxynase to form carbon dioxide and phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So here the decarboxylation takes place in presence of enzyme PEP carboxynase. Hence, this type of C4 plants are called PEP-CK type. The carbon dioxide which is released, it enters into the C3 cycle, and the phosphoenol pyruvic acid undergoes first the dephosphorylation in the cytoplasm of the bundle sheet cell and forms the pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid is then converted to the alanine, and the alanine then enters into the mesophyll cells, and by deamination the alanine gets converted to the pyruvic acid, and the pyruvic acid then get converted to the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So in this type of C4 plants, the oxaloacetic acid directly undergoes the decarboxylation and giving rise to the carbon dioxide. So this is the summary of the C4 cycle, where 6 carbon dioxide forms a molecule of glucose. So in this C4 cycle 30 ATPs are utilized. So here the more amount of ATPs are utilized for conversion of pyruvic acid to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. The significance of this C4 cycle is that in this the C4 cycle as well as the C3 cycle, both they operate. So this shows higher rate of photosynthesis, and the scope of usage of carbon dioxide is also more. So carry on photosynthesis. These plants, they carry on photosynthesis in much lower concentration of CO2, and the effects of water stress is minimized in this C4 plants, because the bundle sheet cells they lie close to the source of water supply. So as we know, the bundle sheet cells they surround the vascular tissue, so they are close to the xylem through which the water is supplied. As C4 cycle occurs in tropical and subtropical species which are adapted to the xeric conditions, they grow in water stress condition. So C4 plants are better adapted in this condition due to their Kranz anatomy of the leaves.